Good morning and welcome to Overland Exploits. I'm Skip. Today we're going to be reviewing the Aspenora, and focus in, 42S. It's the ASBPR 42S, 42 liter fridge. Amazon purchase, under $250 on Amazon Prime, free delivery. What you get is you get the fridge. You get the fridge, you get the 12 volt adapter cord, you get a 110 cord, and then you get the fridge itself, and of course the owner's manual. You do have to put on the handles. It comes with a Allen wrench, 8 bolts, 4 stands, 2 rods. It's a good little fridge. My first impressions are that for the price, you know, it seemed kind of cheap. The metal on the fridge itself, I thought was kind of flimsy on first impressions. Plastic on the handle seems pretty thin. Overall, good controls. The controls are touch. You can unlock. You got to kind of hold it, and it will unlock. And then you can go through all your modes. Turn it on. You have max, eco, and then of course off. You can adjust your temperature here and here if you want it to be whatever, all the way down to 25 degrees, I believe. Yep. We keep it about 32 when we're doing the trails, not to keep things frozen that we would not want to be frozen. You can do, of course, Celsius or Fahrenheit. Your modes are high, medium, low. There, she just kicked on. Not too loud. Does have some rattles, but like I said, could be the angle that's sitting on my tailgate here. Battery protection mode, and I keep it at medium. That keeps it about anything under about 11.2, then it'll shut off. I don't want to totally kill my 12 volt system. I'm still working on it, so I don't want to kill the battery. It has ran for 2.5 days all by itself on battery power, of course using other LEDs, and it didn't take my battery down to 11.6. That is after we pre-cooled it. We always pre-cool it. Some of the other things that I like about this, it does have a USB port. One of the things that sold me was the drain, because it's like an ice chest. You can always, if you lose power, you can always dump some ice in it, and it's easy to get the water out. Nice stainless steel chain. It does have these soft closures, so if you just drop it, it doesn't slam shut. And I'm glad, because this is the weakest link that we found on this unit, and it broke not even getting to use it, just getting it cold. I didn't push down or something, due to the fact that it does have an awesome rubber seal here. Of course, LED light. It is a nice unit. It does well. It'll hold 3 gallons of milk in full gallons, and a half a gallon of milk, plus all the other stuff you want to take. We did take this on a 5-day trip on the Oklahoma Adventure Trail, and it did very well. It bounced around in this trailer. About, I'm going to say, sorry, somebody just started a car up. Bad thing about living in a neighborhood. Let them. Can you name that car? Anyway, I'll try to speak over it. It bounced around in the back of this trailer for 600 to 1,000 miles so far, and has yet to let us down. We're just weekend warriors. So, but for the money, for I think even $2.99, I don't think it's a bad deal on Amazon. I'll post a link in the description below. So that's my 2 cents on this Aspenora fridge. I think for what we do, we don't have to run out and find ice, which has always been a kind of a how far can we get away from civilization. Even with, you know, a high dollar ice chest, you're still having to keep ice in it. So there we go. If you have any questions, I'll try my best to answer them. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share this if you think somebody could use a little information about this fridge. And thanks for watching. See ya.